many birds here. You know, sometimes I hear these little clicks and whirs like a camera whenever I'm around a lot of birds. It's like that they're coming from the birds themselves. But that's crazy. Why would cute little birds sound like cameras? I mean, it's not like they have cameras. Or are cameras. Wouldn't it be just wild if some birds weren't birds, though? Wouldn't it be crazy if you found out that it was possible to make cameras in the shape of birds? Then why would that be a thing, right? I mean, it's not like birds are anything special.